Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, where we take ideas and turn them into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. And today's Monday, March 31st, and I thought I saw a light at the end of the tunnel today. Now, I'm a believer that the lows are in, and that these last 4 or 5 days are just backing and filling, and we've had a breakout off what I consider a bottom that will be in place for a while, and it's going to support this next move on the upside that I'm expecting. Now, there aren't too many technicians or market callers out there who would agree with me, so I'm kind of out there on my own. There might be a few bulls, but I haven't run into any yet, so I'm kind of dangling out there by myself. But more about that in our final segment when we take a look at the major indexes. But first, as always, I got 2 new ideas again for you today, and then I want to go over Friday's ideas so we can establish our entry point, and then we'll finish up with a review of the major indexes, and I can try and show you where I'm coming from with my theories. Okay, so first let's get to the new picks. The first one is SPSN, and our second pick is CYBS. So now in just a moment we're going to take a look at their charts, and we're going to show you how we're going to take these 2 ideas and turn them into some money. So I'll be right back. Now don't go away. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of SPSN, and this is a call on the long side, and we think we can make a profit of $1.50. We'll be looking to buy this stock between $2.75 and $2.65, and we have a target of $4.15. That'd be right up here. Why do we like it? A couple of reasons. We can call this a V bottom. I'm sure you can see that. Or it's also a reverse head and shoulders. Both formations are bullish, and they're bottoming formation. They're formations you find at the bottoms of moves, not tops. Okay, there's your neckline. So you have your left shoulder, you have your right shoulder, and of course you have your head here. Then you have your shoulder line, which is right there, and you can see we've already broken out of it, and now you're pulling back to it. Now this is normally the breakout and then pull back to support, and then it should go again. Now hopefully in the morning we get a little weakness. I don't want you chasing after this. If it jumps up in the morning, wait till it comes back down in the afternoon, and then you can buy it somewhere around the close, or hopefully in the morning you get a little weakness and you'll be able to buy it somewhere down underneath the close. But in any case, it's a good looking formation, and we believe our target will be met. So let me recap that. That's SPSN. It's a call on the long side, and we think we can make a profit of $1.50 on that trade. Okay, our next idea is CYBS. Now I'm hesitant bringing this to you because this was one of my picks I was going to bring on Friday, but I substituted something else, and this stock ran up 4% today. But I'm going to bring it to you anyway. But there's going to be guidelines here. Okay, so this is a call on the long side. We think we can make a profit of $3, and we want to buy this stock around $4.20. We're not going to pay right at where it closed, and we have a target of $17.50 up here. And we don't want you buying this, chasing after this stock. We like to see this stock come back down to the support area right in here. This is around 14.20. This would be the spot we'd want you to buy it. Anything above that, you may have to wait, because this may back and fill for a few days before it goes. When they break out, you can see here they broke out here, and then it back and filled for 3 days before it made another move. Now it could go straight up, or it could come back down. If it comes back down, then we recommend you the purchase of it. So let me recap that. That's CYBS. What's a call on the long side, and we're looking to make $3. Now if it goes straight up, don't chase it. We'll bring you something different tomorrow. All right, now I want to go over Friday's idea so we can establish our entry points. One of the stocks was AAI that we recommended on Friday, and we bought it today. We paid $6.40. We have a target of 890 here, and this is just a great looking formation here, bottom formation, very symmetrical. It's it's behaving, staying within the rules. Breakout, pull back, right to support, and just a good looking chart. So we'll put that in our portfolio and we'll review it when we sell it or over the weekend. Our next call was CSUN, and we recommended this on Friday. We bought this today at $7.35. We were looking for this pullback. We mentioned this in the video on Friday. We'd like to see the stock pull back a little further, and it did. So we took advantage of it. And it may even pull back a little hair more. So don't be afraid of that. But we see a rounding bowl here. Now the left side of the bowl is already in place, and now it's going to start working on the right side. That's how we visualize this. We see a double bottom here. We see this little flat top that it broke out of, and now it's going to pull back into it somewhere, and then it should go again. So this stock will be put in our portfolio, and like all the others, you'll see it when we sell it or when we review it on the weekends. So that's it for our two new ideas and our two old ideas. So now let's go to the major indexes so I can try and explain to you why I'm on the bullish side of this market. And so I'll try and explain my theory. And together we can see whether or not it comes true or not. Now, I'm in the camp of believing that this pattern here was a successful test of this old low back here, and that this breakout was signaling that the bottom is in and we're going to work our way higher. So it's not doing anything unusual. Like here, it broke out here and it pulled back to support. Then it broke out again and it's just pulling back to support. And that's how I see it. As soon as this pullback is over, I expect this market to come back up and even get above these highs here. That would be a great breakout. But that's my theory. I've seen these patterns before, and I've lived by this theory. So it's important to me anyway, and to my followers, I'm sure that the theory works again for me. And we'll know by tomorrow. But I did see some pretty good action that encouraged me today. So like I said in my video, I see a light at the end of the tunnel. We'll take a look at the transportation average, because all these averages move together. You're not going to have the transports going up when the others are going down. Okay, so that was your breakout. Now you're pulling back into support. And even if that doesn't hold, that support, we've got another pretty major support area right in here. But I believe this will hold here. You had a little reversal day here today too. So it's going to be interesting to see if this theory plays out or not. And now we'll take a look at the QQQs, where you actually can see the picture clearest of all the indexes. This box here is, to me, the foundation of the move. Started out a reverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, head. This is the breakout, and this is nothing more than the pullback. This is normal market action. And this is the top of the neckline, and this is exactly where it should come into play. And we're going to see. We'll know by tomorrow. But I thought there was enough sign in the market today to say that my theory is going to come true. So, and I thought the market acted pretty good today, even though they knocked them down because there was a sell program right on the close. If that hadn't hit, the market would have closed pretty close to the high end of the range. So there you have it. That's my theory. That's how I see the market. Come on down and visit my website, www.tradingwithtk.com. And until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.